going on, everybody? Saul Castaneda with Mcscgreenwheels, and I am here at home. Make sure you just vacuum. So basically, what we used in this video for this project was just basically some razor blades, clean terry cloths, a lot of clean like alcohol wipe. Get all the crumbs, all the dirt out, get all the glue off as much as you can, because you don't want that on there. You don't want to have your sound deadening get on top of it and then like lift up later. So basically, the sound deadening material that we use, we ordered off of eBay. It wasn't a specific name. I know that we talked to the gentleman. He was like, it's going to do the same thing that any Dynamat or anything. You can pick it up from anywhere or whatever. He basically just told us the same thing. We went ahead and bought it. Basically, we went to www.usaautovoice.com, and we ordered. The roll that we got was 70 square feet for $174.58. As far as the way it goes to lay it down, it was fairly easy. There's nothing that you have to. It's not as sticky as you would think. Just make sure you measure out your pieces right. Like I said before, there really is no right or wrong way how to install this stuff. I started off in the middle, like I did the floor pan on the driver's side first, then I did the floor pan on the passenger side. We moved into the back and just kind of carried out through that. We did the tonneau cover, we did the tonneau afterwards. Then we went into the trunk. We came up to the roof and we put two pieces up here, as you could tell. And then we carried all the way into the firewall. One of the main reasons being we want to kill sound. This guy's got a big old Gen 2 Coyote in this thing, and we're gonna have some big open pipes. The other thing is it's heat resistant, so it's gonna deflect heat from us, and so we're not gonna get the inside of this car extremely hot. So number one, it's gonna kill noise, road noise, and all those, engine noise and all that stuff. And number two, it's going to keep us a lot cooler in the cockpit here. So that's the reason that we did it. And like I said, no real right and wrong way on how to do this stuff. You guys just pretty much have to dig in there, clean it up. If you got rust, make sure you take that off, cut it off, re-weld whatever you need to do. Take care of your body work first. Remember, prep, and then lay this stuff down. Once you get it going, it's not hard, man. Once you get the flow of it, it's just gonna go. And like I said, for this material that we used, thank you to the gentleman that got us to this direction, because it was extremely easy to use. It was extremely easy to maneuver and apply. It didn't take a rocket scientist to do this. So you guys should be able to handle it. And like I said, just measure out your pieces and be neat, clean. Thank you, guys. We will see you soon. Thank everybody on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and keep following. Leave us a comment. Again, if you guys cannot find the website, we'll post one on the video. You just keep in touch. Leave us a comment, give us some likes, and we'll hope to see you soon. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay safe.